A new Explore program at CHAS Health is giving select Spokane Public Schools students an opportunity to experience what the real world looks like in healthcare.
Every Tuesdays and Thursdays we go to a CHAS clinic in Spokane and we shadow the different departments of that clinic. Every 2 weeks it's a different clinic.
CHAS Health and SPS are building a foundation for these students' futures through this partnership.
And read this line right here.
They get to start the first 2 weeks off with administration departments. So it's really comprehensive of everything we do. So the students get to spend the last 4 weeks in our clinics exploring medical, dental, behavioral health, and pharmacy technician.
It's been really nice to know that it can only go further from here, knowing that I can just build on this experience to lead me to more better experiences.
For Ferris Jr. Jaden,
this is Jaden. Jaden is part of our new Explore program for District 81.
She stepped into the CHAS Health Family Dental Clinic with wide eyes.
It's really interesting because normally you only see these places as a patient, so you're kind of there just do what you will. But when you're job shadowing, you get to see all the working parts on the inside, and it's more than just the hygienist that comes up. They have all these different rooms, offices.
So Esther, she will help facilitate our Marshallese community.
The working parts, when you actually see all the rooms, it's crazy.
Jaden saw firsthand a day in the life of a sterile processing technician.
And my position basically ensures that everything that is used in a dental office is re-sterilized and ready for use again.
We're all looking for the same outcome, a healthy community. And to be able to do that, we have to partner with our outside resources. We have kids that are hungry for knowledge and wanting to explore these careers, and we have a need for employees, so it was a win-win.
Is your residency only 1 year for dentistry?
This Explore program in partnerships with organizations like CHAS Health is what allows students at Spokane Public Schools to excel towards life after high school.
I love my high school. I'm super involved in it, and I think District 81 does a great job for making things accessible to their students. And so just having another thing to tack on to all the stuff that they do, I appreciate everything that they put into their work.
Not all schools and districts have this, so I'm just extremely thankful that Spokane Public Schools does have this and has opened opportunities up for me.